Hi, everyone. My name is Josh Rogosin, based in Washington, D.C. I have mixed and recorded over 800 Tiny Desk concerts from Yo-Yo Ma to Mac Miller.
My name is Marcela Rada. I am based in London, UK. I'm a sound engineer, university lecturer, and I'm currently conducting doctoral research on immersive music production.
And we are so excited to bring our presentation to South by Southwest. Drumroll, please. AI, authentic intimacy in storytelling through sound.
We're bringing a different definition of AI, but don't get us wrong. We are going to be telling you all about how we use the latest spatial audio technology to help you stay relevant as technology continues to evolve. Our goal is to ensure that the authenticity of your music and content remains intact.
I've recorded stories all over the world with NPR and National Geographic using different stereo sound recording techniques, and we're so excited to share our experience at South by Southwest.
That's right. We are very excited to come together for the first time to share our research and knowledge with all of you creatives, musicians, music lovers, producers, audiophiles, directors, everybody at the iconic South by Southwest Conference 2025.
So vote for Pedro.